Good afternoon, Internet. My name is Robert, and it's minus 9 Celsius out here on the Kennebecasis River, and I'm walking from way over there, over by the shore. There's a lot of fishing shacks and stuff over there. They're smelt fishing, and these guys over here, they're hake fishing. They're out in deeper water, hake fishing. That's where you catch the hake, and the smelt you catch closer into shore. But I'm walking all the way over there to Long Island, to Minister's Face there, and there's a Waterfalls over there. It's all frozen, but that's my intentions, is walking over there today and getting some drone video and some video on my GoPro of the waterfalls and stuff. It's a long walk and it's hard walking. I'm pooped. I can see some people over there climbing the waterfalls there, the frozen waterfalls there. I can see the mice climbing it. From here you probably can't really see it too well from the camera. Still got to get a lot closer. I got a long ways to go yet, and I'm getting pooped. It's gonna be a long walk back from there to the car over on the shore there of by Cameron Road. Oh, definitely good exercise, that's for sure. I definitely need it. And it's just hard walking. It's not hard crust or anything like that, so you're kind of wading through the loose snow and stuff. Oh, it's a beautiful day out though. At least it's not as cold as it was yesterday. It's a little bit warmer now. Not a lot warmer, but a bit warmer. I think it was high of minus 10 Celsius yesterday or something, I think. I'm just taking my time walking, and I'll get there eventually. And maybe I can get some video of those guys climbing the ice waterfalls there. That would be pretty cool. Oh, when I was younger, my late teens and early 20s, I used to be able to walk over here in the wintertime over to the waterfalls and Long Island here. But now that I'm 63, that's a lot harder work now. Plus, you gotta wade through snow too, so that's not helping. So, I'm getting closer though. But, yeah, I'm not as young as I used to be. That's for sure. And it is a long walk through this snow, but I am getting much closer. I remember years ago, me and my mom walking way over here to Minister's Face and the waterfalls, and I wanted to show where the waterfalls when it was frozen in the winter, and there was a little tiny cave found over here too. Wasn't a little bit of a cave, not much of one, but a little bit of one. Anyways, me and her walked over here one Sunday afternoon, but it was a nice day. There was no wind or nothing, and there was no snow that you had to trudge through. I think it was just pretty well bare ice then. so it was easy walking. Not like today. Today's a lot harder. Well, I must say, that was pretty cool, getting them on the drone and on video there on the drone there, climbing that frozen waterfalls, doing the ice climbing. That was pretty cool watching them do that. That was awesome. Yeah, it was well worth the walk over here to Long Island and Minister's Face and the falls there. It's well worth it. But I got a long walk back now, all the way back there. I'm not even halfway yet. Oh, it would have been much easier walking if it was the ice was bare, or if it was the snow was packed down real good. But it's not easy walking, trudging through this snow, loose snow. I'd just like to say a big thank you to my subscribers and anyone new taking the time to watch my video of my adventure over to Long Island there, walking across the Kennebecasis River over to Long Island and the frozen waterfalls over there, and capturing the guys doing ice climbing there up the frozen waterfalls. That was pretty cool. I was really lucky to get that on video on my drone, and I hope everyone enjoyed my video. I just want to say a big thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.